Hello world, welcome back to my channel where you know that I trade live on YouTube and on Zoom as well. I'm gonna open up my Zoom thing, but you know I trade live on YouTube and I have a Telegram group chat where you can join and be a part of my live Zoom calls. And we can talk, we can chat it up, we can do whatever. But yeah, we're back with another day. Today is Monday. There is no news. Well, no news pertaining to the U.S. market today, but we do have CPI on Wednesday. It's crazy. It's gonna be crazy. I know it's gonna be crazy. First of all, it's Wednesday. Wednesday is usually just ridiculous, right? Two, it's CPI. CPI is like the new FOMC is like ridiculous. It's like I don't even know how to explain it. It's just really, really one of those news that moves the market very, because interest rates is what really is driving a lot of economic factors in the market nowadays. Because we're in a recession. It's not. I wouldn't be air quoted because we are in a recession. We're in a recession. They might not say that, they might not want to admit that we're in a recession, but we are. We are in a recession. So I'm here today to just keep doing what I always do. I'm trading live, super transparent. You get to see what I do. Listen, if I take a loss live, you get to see it. Take a win live, you get to see it. I'm not scared. I'm not scared. I'm not nervous. I'm not shaky. If you do have your opinions on how I should or should not trade, that is fine. You can let me know. But honestly, I don't really care. I'm gonna be honest with you. Reason why I don't care is because I put in the work. I put in the time. I put in the efforts to understand what I'm doing in the market. My trading strategy and my edge, defining my edge and having a plan and knowing how to go about doing that plan. So I usually right now I'm just trading less emotionally. Like I would say like almost, I wouldn't say zero emotions because I'm still human and not like a robot. But it's a lot less emotions. I'm not for 1 second scared about placing a trade if it lines up with my edge and I'm properly risk managed in that trade. Hey, win or lose, it is what it is. It's all a probabilities game, and I understand the probabilities that I'm gonna win and the probabilities that I'm gonna lose over a period of set of time, not a day, not a week. It's like a month, quarter, like 6 months. Extrapolated the data, extrapolated over a period of time, and I understand that I understand my edge and things like that. So we waiting for that 9:30 open. At 9:30 open, that's usually what I use to determine what side I'm gonna trade on, whether it's a buy or a sell. But we'll see. What's good, Edward?
Good, bro.
Chilling, chilling, chilling. What's the vibes?
I'm looking at US30.
As always.
Yeah, I'm looking for confirmations for buys right now on GU.
Yes, sir. As always. Just do the same shit. I'm gonna ask you a question, Edward, but give me 1 second.
Alright.
So my question is, Edward, do you have a strategy?
Of course,
Would you say that is your edge in the market?
I would.
Okay. So would you define your edge in the market as a probabilities of you winning a trade or not? Or do you even look at trading as a probabilities game?
Yeah, I would say it's probabilities based on um, parameters and certain like aspects of the market. I mean, probabilities are determined by various things which make up a specific bias towards it either buying or selling. So, I mean, I would agree with that.
Okay, so you would understand that if you have an edge and your parameters are correct, um, it's now just the probabilities, whether or not you know what the probabilities are, but it could be a higher probability based on a set of variables or a lower probabilities based on a set of variables. You agree with that statement?
Yeah.
Right. I said this last Friday to a couple of people, and they disagreed with what I was saying, but I was saying in my opinion, you know, I'm not gonna say this is fact, but I think it is fact. But in my opinion, I know my edge in the market, and I understand the probabilities of my edge working out. You know, I'm not saying that I know if I place this next trade, even if it's a high probability that it's going to win. But I understand I have a 75% chance. If it's an A plus setup, I have a 70 to 80% chance of it winning. Can I guarantee this is going to be the win? No. But if I place a trade with an A plus setup, it has an 80% chance of winning. If it didn't win, it's a part of that 20%. If it did win, it's a part of that 80%. And do you go about trading just the same?
Pretty much.
Would you say trading is just data driven? Like it's purely statistical and data driven?
Yes, but of course there's a psychological aspect to it as
Right.
well.
It's emotional because the market is based on emotions, and then you trade based on your emotions, based on the capital that you have. Correct?
Yeah.
Right. I just thought I was bugging. I'm glad that we had.
Well, what did they think it was about? What was their?
Well, in their opinion, I'm gambling because I said markets is about probabilities. I I named the analogy that it's a flip of a coin. So say you have a coin, it has two sides, and you flip it 10 times, and you know out of 10 times you have a probability of 5 times heads and 5 times tails. If you have the right risk reward parameters, you would always be on the winning side. So say you have a 1 2 risk reward parameters, that means for every dollar that you risk, you make $2. And you have a high probability of just having a 50-50, right? Sometimes it's going to be 60-40, 70-30. It could be off a little bit, but most times it's 50-50, correct?
Yeah, I would agree with that sentiment to a certain extent, but with the analogy in terms of flipping a coin, um, I would say that's kind of a loose statement because at the same time there aren't parameters that you can dictate yourself to justify that flipping a coin can be more probable in heads or tails because you don't have any control of it.
Yeah, no. I'm not saying no. It's just like the markets. Like if you close your eyes and just play buy or sell, you literally have a 50% chance. That's why I use the coin.
Yeah.
So now you're using other parameters, which you call your edge, to increase the probabilities that you might win. Like you can increase it, I don't know, to like 60% or 70%, whatever. But if you just close your eyes and press buy yourself, based on your risk to reward or whatever the case is, you have a 50% chance. Would you agree? It's just like flipping a coin. You have 50% because there's only two options: up or down.
I'll say this shit like 70-30. You would think it's 50. You would think.
Well, it's still 50. If you close your eyes and press buy or sell 10 times and just let it go, let's say 10 minutes, The variables, you keep some variables the same. You press buy or sell. You just press buy 5 times and press sell 5 times. You close your eyes. You don't care what direction it is, and you hold it for 10 minutes. Probably 5 times out of 10 times you'll be profitable on the buys. 5 times out of 10 you'll be profitable, or you will lose on whatever end. So I would say it's like a coin. It wouldn't be 70-30 because you can't say every time you press the button you would have a 70% chance of losing. Then I mean, why the fuck are you doing this? How do people even make money?
I would say if anything, bro, it's probably not higher. Because 90% of them fail.
No. 90% fail because they're on.
Saying like with the 50-50, but even then, like, it's the chances are always like on favor of the losing side, unfortunately.
Well, they're on the favor of the losing side because they don't have an edge, right? They don't have an edge, and they come in with their emotional expectations of what the market might do because they want to make money. So that's why they end up on the 90%. I'm not saying percentage of traders that are profitable. No, I'm just talking about buy or sell. Not saying, oh, you are looking for $10,000 for the market, or $100, or $50, whatever. Just saying, if you just close your eyes, press buy yourself, you have 50% chance because there's only 2 ways it can go. 2 ways, up or down. You can stay in the middle too, but likely chance of it staying in the middle is not high. It's just up or down from wherever you press entry, right? Would you agree?
Yeah. I would say if it's just like the basic of like nothing to it and buy or sell, yeah. But even
Yeah, nothing to it. Nothing at all. Just buy or sell. You would have a 50% chance. But now if you add your, well, we're not talking about profitable traders to unprofitable traders. That's not the discussion here. Because that we understand that 90% of traders fail or are not profitable. We understand that that's not just because they press buy or sell. That's because of psychology. They don't have an edge. Their expectation in the market, emotion. Like there's a whole bunch of shit that come along with that. You understand? It ain't just like flipping a coin. So that's not what I was saying. I was saying if you have an edge, like your edge in the market, I don't know what you trade ICT or ICT concepts, and
ICT trade man.
huh?
ICT trade man.
I have no idea what that even means, brother. No idea what that means. But let's say ICT trades you, right? And you say you have like a 1 to 3 risk to reward, but your hit rate is 30%. You'll still be profitable if you hit 3 trades out of 10. So you lose 3 trades. No, you lose 7 trades, right? That's all 1%. And that's 7%. Let's say 7% loss, but you hit 3 trades that go to a 3 to 1. That's 3, 6, 9. So that's 9 minus 3. You still up 2%. Would you agree?
No numbers fuck my head up.
All right. So let's run the parameters back. Parameters is you trade 3 to 1. That's the minimum amount of a risk reward you want for your trading strategy. That's the minimum amount of risk. That's the minimum amount of reward you want for it. 3 to 1. So whenever you place a trade, you want $3 for every dollar that you risk, right?
Mm-hmm.
So you got 10 trades. Let's say your hit rate is only 30%. With a hit rate of 30%,
3 L's, 7 W's.
3 W's, 7 L's.
Yeah.
So every trade you're taking out of 1%. So you can have 7 L's, which is all out of 1%. So that means 7, right? But the 3 that you do win is at 3%. So it's 3, 6, 9. So it's 9 minus 7 equals positive 2%. Do you get it?
Yeah.
All right. So some months it's going to be less. Some months it's going to be more. But it's just understanding your probability in order to do this. This is what kind of gives you the confidence to take the trade because you're like, all right, cool. I'm probably gonna take a lot of losses trying to make this 1 to 3, but it's cool because once I get to 1 to 3, I cover a whole bunch of losses.
Yeah, it's just it's like win rate and strike rate.
I think it's the same thing. Strike rate's the same thing as win rate.
Strike rate and win rate. What is it? And,
Risk to reward.
risk to reward. Yeah, I would say the higher the risk to reward, you're gonna take more losses. But
Yeah.
the wins will just cover the.
Exactly.
But the lower risk to reward, you're gonna take more losses.
No, the lower the risk to reward, you have to take more wins.
You have to take more wins, yeah.
Yeah.
So in order to make it that.
Right. And I'm saying, I told this person, whoever was on my thing, he said, I'm your Bells, shut the fuck up, bro. He's about YouTube talking about I'm your biggest fan, bro. Keep working, gang. This nigga Bells. Anyway. Last week Friday when I was talking to these individuals, I'm telling them I just know my edge. You know, I know that I'm a 1-to-1 risk to reward ratio trader. So I have to win 7 trades, or at least 5 to break even, but 6 to be profitable. But I'm a 70, let's say 80% trade on the A+ setups. I know this because I did the back testing and I collected the data and I already analyzed the data. I've already quantified the numbers and stuff like that, broken it down all the way. This is like 8 months of back testing, 9 months of back testing, by the way.
Mm-hmm.
So now I have the numbers. Now I'm saying I'm confident in what I'm saying because not only did I get the numbers, I've done it multiple times to get these numbers. So it's like an average about the multiple times I've done it over the multiple months I've done it. Now I got an average. So I know my average for winning should be 75%. So it doesn't even matter if I lose 3 trades. I should be winning 7. Not saying it's all the time. Sometimes it's going to take only 5 wins and 5 losses. Or 6 wins and 4 losses. Or 8 wins and 2 losses. It's just a probability game. It goes up and down, but I understand my probabilities. It's all about probabilities.
That's all. It's just a numbers game.
It's just a numbers game. That's all I was saying. It's a numbers game. If you understand the numbers, it's easy. This nigga Bells. Bells, join the Zoom, bro. Stop playing. This nigga. Yeah, this nigga was up late.
Who, man?
Mm-hmm.
Where I was up, and I didn't even trade.
Nah, you wasn't up, then you was asleep.
Slept a good 5 hours.
That's all you need, my boy. 5 hours of sleep is good enough.
Never get more than like 6 hours of sleep.
Yeah, I never really get more than 6 hours of sleep again. Or 7. I would say 7 is my max.
Friday night, I probably get the most sleep. Probably get like 7 hours.
You said Friday night you get the most sleep?
Yeah.
You don't be doing nothing on Fridays?
Yeah, I come home early.
Uh,
I really be going out like that.
so why on the weekdays you don't get more sleep than the weekends?
Well, 2 days of the week I get off like 10:30.
Okay.
And then I just hate going to sleep right after work. I would feel like,
Yeah, you feel like you did nothing. You just worked.
so I'll at least like do a little back testing or at least like watch a little Netflix with my girl, eat some dinner, that sort of thing. So by the time I look around, it's like 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock.
Facts. I feel that.
And
Understand.
yeah, I wake up like 6:30, 7 o'clock.
I get that.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Anyway, we here. Let's see if we can make some money today, man. I seen your merch, Edward.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
They coming soon, but I'm working out some different ideas. Mostly t-shirts. I'm gonna do a little less jerseys and focus on a few more like basic, everyday, daily wearing like t-shirts. And then the jersey's gonna be more like the high fashion streetwear shit.
Okay.
But I got some dope pop-ups for some jerseys too, but I didn't want to drop too many jerseys. I wanted to do some more t-shirts so I can have like more lower cost items available, but still like flashy, you know?
Nice. You have a variety.
Shorts coming out soon.
Shorts?
Dope leather hats I'm working on.
Okay. You building a brand. Oh, you need somebody big? I'm just telling you, bro. You get somebody at least decent in the niche. Give them some free shit. Let them put it on. That's all you need, my boy. That's the promo that you need. Of course, you're probably gonna take a little hit because you're giving out free merch to him or her. All you need.
Yeah, it's an investment.
Pick a person, bro. Pick anybody. I would just go for the top person.
I was gonna send it to some local guys, like maybe that guy like Doyle. We'll see if Q Banks would take some shit.
Just I would go straight to Q Banks, bro. Put his name on one of them shits. Q Banks. Put his name on one of them shits. Mail it to his house, or mail it to his office or whatever, wherever the fuck his shit is, and just
I would probably like, because at the same time, like, I don't want to do too much custom shit because that whole kind of ruins the whole purpose of branding. But if I were to do that, I'd probably make them like a custom one.
yeah,
Like,
just it's just for him. It's
I was thinking
because
too, I would make custom ones, but like, kind of like more like if you're gonna do custom shit, like I'm gonna charge you. You know what I mean?
yeah,
Like
yeah, yeah.
maybe
You could
along
be
the
like,
way, I gotta pay extra to do like new designs and get the vector for the design and shit. So if you want some custom shit, I need 200.
got some shit you need 200, but this is for him. That's it, personally.
Yeah. Well, it really depends because the basketball jerseys is like really high grade material. That I'd probably do 200, but the baseball ones, I might sell for 150.
Yeah, just telling you, just go for the top people. They gonna market it themselves. If you give it to them free for free, they gonna put it on one of these. It's fire jerseys. You just need to make sure that people can see it.
Yeah.
And as people
Honestly,
see
like
it, they gonna be like, "Oh, where he get that from? Oh, I want one of those shits."
honestly, like obviously the whole goal is to make money off it, but like it's not like my main like focus. Like I feel like it'd be a lot more organic and have a more of a snowball effect. Once I just like really just promote the trading first and start my own
That
account.
I get what you mean.
But
To
what I'm
like
doing is
be really good at trading first.
everything is marketing like with numbers. Like if you have numbers, like that's already an advantage. So like really, I'm working on getting at least like quarter mil in funding. So I
Mm-hmm.
could start putting up them $10,000 days, $20,000 days, and then
Facts. To get some eyes on you.
exactly.
It's a fact.
Yeah.
It's a fact. So, how's that funded account going?
It's good. I still got it.
That's great.
And I got a live account going right now. But honestly, last month was rough, bro. Like April and May, I was killing it. And then June, it was just like so sideways, bro. I don't know.
Mm. No,
I
June was sideways. I can agree with you. Summer months, I feel like it's gonna be sideways, in my opinion.
yeah. I just feel like I don't know. Like there were certain things, like certain intricacies of my strategy that I improved because of that. But at the same time, it just seemed like I don't know. The shit just wasn't like flowing right.
Y'all niggas is boo boo.
I think Bells finally joined. What up, Bells?
What's up, gang?
Marquez.
Marquez, that's his name on this
Is that
shit.
an alias name?
my,
Marquez. Yeah,
my
Bells is
middle
his
name,
alias
my
name.
middle name, bitch.
So what's your real name, nigga? Bellantor. Oh, I forgot.
Or the P word. What the fuck?
This nigga sound like a
That was
Optimus
kind of
Prime.
fast.
Rolling.
This nigga sound like a Optimus Prime. Optimus Bellantor.
Not the Optimus Prime, but chill.
Bro, I gotta work at 10, bro. Fuck my life.
I gotta quit that job, bro.
Working on it, man. Working on it. I
The way
got
I smack,
power. Nigga, I got bills.
the way I smack GU this morning, nigga, you need to quit. GU is lovely.
I'm ready to quit, but I just don't want to do it too early.
Yeah, don't do it too early, my boy.
I don't want to
Take your
be.
time.
I don't want to be in a corner. You know what I'm saying? Getting
Trust,
extra.
bro. You just take your time. If you're already doing everything right now, just
Yeah.
keep doing it.
Yeah,
Only
just
make you
take
feel
your
more
time.
productive anyway.
I made that mistake like maybe like 4 years ago. I had like 10 or $12,000 trading account. I quit my job.
Shit, I would have quit too.
I was like,
Oh,
yeah.
Hell yeah, nigga, I would have quit quick than a motherfucker.
I was like, we on, bro. 3 months, lose the account, bro. Oh,
oh wow. You didn't withdraw anything?
I did withdrawals, like not a lot, but I probably withdraw maybe like 8K out of it, and yeah, bro, I just blew the whole thing. I mean, most of it was like money from the market, but I was so hot, bro.
That boy getting
Nah, I
money
feel
back
you.
for the market, boy.
Sleepless nights, those 5K drawdown nights.
Damn.
Damn. That
That's
means
so
you was
small.
over
Wait
leveraging,
a
bro.
minute.
You was over
Wait a minute.
leveraging.
Wait a minute.
You was over
When
leveraging
you
like a
get it's how
bitch.
you lose it. That's how I always say it.
That's a fact. You was over leveraging like a motherfucker.
Damn,
It
5K
was,
nights.
it
That's
was
not even
that,
unfunded.
honestly. It was
Oh, yeah.
it was over trading mainly.
Yeah, it's usually the
Over trade.
secure.
It's
It's
either
over
one of the
trading,
two,
over
yeah.
risking.
Over two.
But it's
Yep.
all just like components of stuff you're doing yourself. That's always what it leads back to, unfortunately.
Yeah. Shit.
How is it? 9:27.
Yeah, we got 2 more minutes, 3 more minutes.
Yep.
I'm trying to see if these shorts go. Oh, yeah,
What you looking for, Kino?
30's falling.
I don't know. I'm looking for whatever it want to show me. But I see on the high time frame, I can see shorts keep playing out on because it's been dropping. So I can see shorts playing out, but hey man, whatever it want to give me, that's what I take. I also see longs though, because all of London session it just kept trading upwards.
Usually London is the opposite of New York.
We'll see. It's crazy because my best days is when London just trades all the way up, and then continues to trend during New York.
I
Yeah,
feel
those are
you.
my worst days. Days where it just trends one direction. Hate those days.
Like last week
Hate them.
Thursday, this was a really good day. Last week Thursday, it just trended all the way from London session, continued to trend in New York session. It just went berserk. That was a great day.
You gotta keep in mind, it's also CPI week too, so.
Oh yeah, it is also CPI week, so it might get slow movements until Wednesday. Definitely see though. We
Yeah,
got
only time will tell.
2 minutes. Really like 1 minute.
Bro, this nigga in the chat, he got like a $500 account putting in 5 lots. Nigga savage.
Who's
10
that?
lots actually. I
On
don't
our
know.
chat?
Nah, some other chat.
Oh.
He's probably got 1 to 500 leverage though.
Crazy.
It don't matter, bro. You shouldn't be doing that shit. It's over leveraging like a
What
motherfucker.
is he put? What is he putting it on? What pair?
DJ?
On GJ 5? Yeah, that's 1 to 500. Ain't shit. How much is the account?
He didn't show it, but he said it was $200. He's flipping it.
Mm.
I mean, if you don't care about it, if it's just a flip, it don't matter. Just fuck it.
No, there's no way you're popping the 5 lot, even with the 1 to 500 on GJ.
1,000 maybe.
Damn.
I mean, oh, they do have those leverages. I
They
forgot.
got
They
one to
do.
2,000.
1 to 6,000.
Sounds like what the fuck? There's no way.
Every dollar you get an extra 1,000.
It's crazy.
I'm about to say his leverage gotta be off the charts, dude.
I can't trade like that, bro.
One fuck up, that's it. That's the account. We got 9:30. Let's
I'd
see.
rather take that 200 and just do it from it.
Huh?
I'd rather take that $200 and just do it from it.
Word.
I don't know, nigga. The prop firms right now is getting exposed, boy.
Bro, yo, y'all niggas need to start taking your cash out of the bank, bro. I went to the bank yesterday, bro. I couldn't even withdraw $1,500. Like, shit talking about
Nigga, the prop firms is getting exposed. Banks ain't letting niggas get their money.
Bro, I've withdrawn 1,500 out of my shit like a million times, and it's all
This shit just flew. R.I.P.
couldn't get
Did it?
Yeah, that shit flew. Boy.
What they say, Edward?
Keno.
Yeah, I'm looking for the buys, man. I'm still here.
About 18 pips on buys.
On what, GU?
Yeah.
I take that GU sell this morning. Smack that shit.
Yeah, I didn't want to get in. What time did you get in?
Let's see.
I get in that every time at 8 o'clock. As soon as New York opens, I look for a supply or demand on GU and I take it. It was a supply, and then I take it to liquidity and got out.
Okay, we might be looking for buys, Bill. We might looking for buys. Might be. Let's see.
Get the buys, my boy. I'm
Not
cool
yet.
on this
Not
one.
yet. I need confirmation. Well, you risk the whole candle. That's the only thing about my strategy. My risk be kind of crazy, but it just changes. It's never the same thing.
I ain't
Yeah, we
going
look
target 1-to-1 every time, bro. Leave it running.
target 1-on-1. That's what I'm telling you. I be doing 1-on-1s, bro. I don't play around.
Do 1-to-1 and leave it running. Unless it looked like GU this morning where it was just plain sight hold sales, then I'll hold all three positions. But I usually just close two.
My hit rate is way higher when I go 1-to-1s. Hit rate is way
Hell
higher.
yeah. That 1-to-1 is beautiful.
1-to-1s is beautiful, bro. Cause I be telling niggas like, listen, I know your 1-to-65s is amazing. I'm happy for you, but how much times do you get that?
Mm-hmm.
How much times do you get 1-to-66? 1-to-42?
Oh shit.
Oh wow, this shit is going berserk. Okay,
Oh yeah, it's just start flying.
it's just
Or
flying. I
keep
can't
it short,
even
That
freaking.
boy on ankle trade, good shit.
Yeah, this is a
Who
live
should I
account.
get?
I'm just trying to grow this live account. I'm finna buy a funded account, but it's summertime, so it's just like not a favorable market to be trying to pass an account in. And
How
I
much
just,
did you start off with?
huh?
How much did you put in that live account?
Well, I had this live account for a while. I'm gonna be honest with you. I had this live account for a schminute, but
Yeah, how much did you have in it though? How much did you put into it to grow?
I had this account when I had this account when I first started. Not when I first started, like in the beginning of last year, and I had like 2,000 in it, and I withdraw like most of it, and then I think I only had like 400 in the account. 400 in the account left. Yeah. So I figured out, and I'm like, fuck it, let me just trade this shit, make some money, and then buy an account with it. But I'm not over leveraging.
Okay.
Every trade that I put is just 5%, 5% of the account. $9.30 went crazy.
Okay.
These are one of the days I be talking about when London session just goes berserk, like just trends upwards, and then the New York session continues. But will that happen? Not sure.
Yeah, we're gonna see.
Be
We gonna
careful
see.
for the manipulation.
Yeah,
I'd
manipulation
rather
happens
see
like this.
shorts, but we'll see what happens.
Because that could just be a liquidity grab just to fall.
Yeah, that could be a liquidity grab, just a
That
bomb.
holders at 11, so a long time away.
Oh my god, this shit is just going crazy, bro. I keep trying to readjust. All right. Press my buy stop in there. Bro, my MT5 have been tripping lately. Look at that. Why is it not entering me in? Come on. All right, there you go. We got a buy limit. Let's see if I get tapped.
That's a fat ass target, my boy.
I'm telling you, my boy. That's why I be going for 1-to-1s. I'm risking the whole candle. That's only if I get tapped in, though. New York.
Let's see what GU did.
That 930 candle went dummy.
GU, oh it did. Yep, GU ran a liquidity target and just took off. I could have taken another fucking, I could take a long there.
I was almost up floating like 30 pips just now. We got 30-minute engulfing candle. As long as we maintain support, we good.
Let's see if I do tap in, yeah.
Because GU is bullish as fuck on the higher time frame, so this would make sense for it to pull back, grab some liquidity, and just continue to take off to take out that daily high. Go with CPI being next week.
This week, yeah.
Or next week, this week. Sorry, Wednesday. Well, no, because it's GU, so that would make GU fly.
Yeah, CPI and PPI this week.
It is Monday too, so.
I haven't played Call of Duty in a minute, man.
Nigga, I ain't played because I broke my controller raging, so I just.
You a bum, bro. It was raging.
Nah. So
niggas made you rage.
That controller had stick drift, so when I'm trying to hit a corner or something, my niggas.
Nah, yeah, that shit
go
look
by
like
itself.
sky.
I was mad as a bitch. I'm like, yo.
I don't know what stick drift is, but
I do that. Stick drift is when the controller moves by itself. It's like it's over. It's wear tear.
That's what mine is.
Like it's supposed to move by itself?
No, like you know how you control how you move around. It was moving by itself. The stick.
Oh, okay. So that means it malfunctioned.
Yeah. So
okay.
I
thought
killed
that's
twice
how you bought it.
that shit. So I was going off, and I had like 15 kills, and I got killed because of stick drift. And I threw the bitch on the ground, stomped at him all over.
This nigga crazy.
I was not playing. That shit pissed me off.
You one of those kids like playing video games, coming up like screaming at niggas.
Word.
Word. I didn't get like that until I got older and realized Call of Duty timing, like you know what I'm saying, like Call of Duty timing, Call of Duty, like bullshit. That's when I realized, okay, this game's fucking bogus, nigga.
Wait, what? What's bogus?
Call of Duty timing, bro.
What does that even mean?
It's basically when. Yeah, if you know, I can't explain it.
Nah, explain it, nigga. You was about to explain
it.
It's
Type of shit where you look down a hallway for 10 minutes, and then the second you look away, somebody.
Yeah.
Nigga, I know what you been fucking mean, nigga. That's a fucking fact, bro. As soon as you turn left, that's when the niggas turn. He's just born over there on the right side. This shit is ridiculous.
That's exactly what shit is.
No, that's a fact.
When I got older, and realized what that shit was, nigga. Gaming got so stressful for my ass. I was like, nigga, what the fuck?
Nah, that's a fact, bro. That's a fact. That's how I be feeling on shipment. That shit was blow mine like.
Nah, shipment's a waste, nigga. Shipment's just.
Nigga, they born somebody right behind you. Even if you in the corner, they put them right on your ass cheek.
Yeah, niggas don't give a fuck. And they brought my sticks back out too, nigga. It's a wrap.
They what?
They brought the sticks out. Nigga, my name on here was Donatello Bells back then. Because I would have sticks, I would use on the sticks and rice shit. Now, nigga, they got sticks back, so I changed my name back.
Dre, you still be playing Call of Duty, bro?
I be on GTA recently.
Probably GTA back too. Nigga, no, I want to get the GTA for PC, bro. Real world shit.
Yeah. I don't know if computer ain't built for that shit, though. I would've got it.
Hell no, mine either.
You say your computer not built for that shit?
Hell no, either.
Yeah, mine not either. I have a PC, but I don't have the, what's that shit that you need to play games on? I forgot what that shit is called.
Steam?
Huh? Nah.
Steam, graphics card?
Yeah, graphics card. There it goes. I don't got a graphics card. I didn't build mine with a graphics card. I knew I wasn't going to be playing games. And the graphics card is like an extra $500. Fuck all that shit. I already paid like $1,800 to build this shit. And the graphics card was an extra $500.
Yeah, I'm about to get one of the this gaming PCs out there for like $600, nigga. That work just like a $4,000 PC.
Nah, them gaming PCs not even coming close to them ones that.
Tweak it. To what?
Telling you.
Close to what?
To them water cooler PCs with the overdrive, the overclock.
Gaming PCs a water cooler PC, bro?
Nah, cap.
Tweak it. You got a water cooler PC and you can't play GTA?
I don't got a water cooler PC. I got fans.
Oh my god! Why did I jump up here, bro? Nigga, drop my loadout, bro. Nigga, speaking.
Come on, tap me in, son. Tap me in.
I'm not hearing nobody.
Oh my god.
Mm. Y'all talking? Yes. What
Nah.
y'all talking
Nah, he
about?
playing music.
Here, yeah. Ooh.
Waiting.
Waiting to see if I'm gonna get tapped in.
Not to skip right.
It looked like it might drop back down. Do we have 10 o'clock news? I don't think so.
Man, Kino, if you don't pull a fifth and download a high and get on the 50% entry
Nah,
point,
nah, 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 nah. That's not my strategy.
what you trying to get a
That's not my.
five? You gonna miss all them pips.
That's
Hey
fine.
Charles, he said eat my dick,
That's
nigga.
not my strategy, my boy.
This
That's not
nigga
my
gonna
strategy.
miss all that money,
That's not my
boy.
strategy. And my fibs. This is what my fibs look like now. I already just demolished the fibs. The fibs is just targets now. It ain't.
Okay, Nas is having the reaction I like finally. Let's see if he's gonna hold out or not.
Nas didn't really do much. It had a wick from the upside.
Nah, that's the move right there. Them false breaks, you see it.
Hmm. It might drop now. Let me see.
Hopefully you go to run that London low and kill all them niggas, bro.
London
Kill
low is
everybody
deep.
long.
That's like a 5 to 1, 6 to 1.
I mean, it depends what your risk. It's like almost a 1 to 3, 3.5. But we shall see. We shall see. I'm waiting to let Nas drop a little bit more so I can break even. Come on. Let me see if break these 1 hour lows.
I've been thinking about sliding to Tampa this weekend, but I'm not sure.
There ain't shit to do out here, bro. Everything
Ain't
is so
nothing,
packed, bro.
It just be
bro. I'm
mad
about
packed.
to. I'm looking at houses in Orlando right now.
Yeah, slide back over here.
Yeah, cause
Yeah.
when I was living out there, that shit was fire, bro. It was
Five.
live every weekend, nigga.
Five.
Cause here is a bunch of. I think here's a retirement. It's a retirement city.
It's
if
just
you
too
got,
much,
if you
Nick.
got
They
money,
be doing their thing, but it's like, yeah, like you were about to say, it's just a lot of money. If you got the money,
Yeah,
bro,
if you had the
travel
money, then you
around and
could
shit.
do the things. But if you don't, all the free activities is packed.
exactly.
Yeah.
Or Orlando is more for us, but I'm going back to Orlando, nigga. I'm not doing this shit no more. Tampa's so boring, bro. Yeah, you ain't got.
Yeah,
If
are
you
you
ain't,
even in Tampa technically?
I'm in Holiday, but
You're
I'm
like
not. I'll be in
Clearwater.
Tampa.
I'd
I'll
be
be
a
in Tampa.
nigga in
Hell no.
Clearwater.
Even Clearwater trash, nigga. Only thing that's popping over here is St. Pete, and that's even boring. It ain't no more white folk.
I feel it.
Clearwater trash. Oh, it tapped me in. It tapped me in. Let's see. Yeah, it tapped me in. That's a deep risk to reward. But hey, listen, it
You're
is
gonna
what
be in
it
this
is.
trade for a minute.
I'm gonna be in this trade all day. No cap. No
There's
cap.
no players, nah. What's
But
up,
yeah,
Buddha?
the Clearwater's dumb packed.
Nah, it's always packed, bro. Especially holidays. During the week, it even be packed. Unfortunately, shit don't even be making sense. Nah, that break it even on ass. That shit dying. Go to this TP so I can go on with my day.
That boy trading US30. Kino.
Yeah, I'm back on US30 wave. Why am I back? Because it gives me more of a move than Nas does.
Yeah.
But
And
Nas
they're
is
both hit
dropping.
or miss. Like
Listen, Nas
honestly,
is dropping.
they both move, but it just comes down to which one are you gonna be willing to wait, which one are you
Exactly.
gonna be willing to miss out on. And I'd rather trade Nas just considering because US30, I be right, but it's just it'll fuck you up and then go right, and I'm just like, all right, bro, he right.
That's the thing about
I'm not.
US30 for me. Like most times, if I'm wrong quick. I don't have to wait.
Hmm.
But sometimes it makes me wait for that win.
Like I like being able to get stopped out fast, like show me that I'm wrong, but at the same time I don't, because 30 will stop you out in like 30 seconds of taking a trade. I'm just like looking at my hands. I'm like, is this it? Are we gonna do this right?
Did I make the right mistake?
Not even that.
Let's
It's
see.
like, are you okay with taking another trade?
Oh
You've
yeah.
only traded 5 minutes. Yeah, let's just go take a shower and think about life.
I like 30, man. I like the way it
My
moves.
boy, that's how it be.
The
I
amount of
like how I
times I
move
sat in the
fast.
shower and I looked at it, looked at the just looked into the shower head, staring into it, looking
That
into
boy
my
traded
soul.
US30 on a $400 account.
Yes,
What?
sir. Yes,
Yeah, I've
sir.
been. Shit.
Yes, sir. It's possible. It
The way I
definitely.
look at it with small accounts, you're only looking to take about like 3, 4, 5 trades anyway. So
Yeah, but I mean, it's crazy because look at the margin. That shit went from $469 to $33.
Word. It's nothing left.
How much is it if you lose?
$15.
How much?
15. 15.
That's not bad.
If I win, same amount. So
yeah, I'm up a cool 150 right now.
I'm
Not
cool.
where I want to be. This
All right.
doesn't pay the bills.
Y'all niggas be safe. About to get on this game, man.
All right, bro.
Keno, I heard word that my boy hit TP.
It's gonna work out. It's gonna
Yo,
work out.
fellas, come pick me and Keno up. We about to go to the gym.
Let's go to the gym, nigga. I've been running every morning.
Nah.
2 miles, and then every morning, every week I run at approximately 15 miles.
Every week?
Bells.
I'm back to my running shit.
Bells.
What's up?
You don't got Instagram, do you? Fuck.
Nope. What?
FaceTime, man.
Alright.
I gotta show you, Jim.
Oh my god, yes.
It's right around the corner from me.
Okay, hold on.
I might slide on y'all this weekend. I might.
What was the gym called? Here, I'm gonna share my screen, but let me find the gym. It's called Optimum. Okay, hold on, I got you right now.
They be hoes in there?
Bro. The name is the Booty Building Gym.
The booty building. That sounds like my
Booty
flavor.
Building Gym.
How you gonna get a workout there?
That's a
No,
fact.
you definitely can. Hold on. Let me. I'm trying to find the name real quick. Cause like I gotta find their Instagram type shit. Yeah, John. Hold on. Like I gotta go through the tags. Then I gotta click on the actual gym. Yeah. Hold on. Yeah. No. Multiple Johns. C-Bum went there. Oh shit. Look at that. optimum joint.
Oh, that shit is dropping. US30. What the
Hold on.
fuck? One candle.
Right here. Bells.
I gotta get out of here though.
Bro.
Alright,
Alright,
Brody.
Edward,
I
you
know you
say
gotta work
Brody.
at 10.
Alright, bro. Peace.
Be safe.
Bells. Bro, it's not even 5 minutes away. No, but it's like, look, it's I guess, look, the booty building gym. I guess it's priority, but it's not. I went there, bro. It was they got, yeah, they got guys there. They have a free day trial, like a free pass. I was with my girl, but hey, man, this shit was shit. All I gotta say is, it had me feeling like this. Better hit TP.
So far, it's been all right. Here comes CJ Allen on the inside with the glasses and beard.
This is expensive.
Close to right Benjamin, though.
Yo, Naz is what the fuck? Naz is falling out the ocean.
He's made the final, and he's going to be in the top five. But right Benjamin, 46-63. It's a fourth consecutive national title. So far, it's been all right. Here comes CJ Allen on the inside with the glasses and beard. Nobody close to right Benjamin, though.
I'm about to have this shit TP real quick.
That shit about to hit TP, bro. No cap. No cap. That shit look nice. That shit look nice. Naz look nice. My guy, Naz look nice.
So far, it's been all right. Here comes CJ Allen on the inside with the It's frustrating. What is your type?
I'm definitely very into Asian.
So far,
Hold on, this nigga Andre have a winning trade as soon as Daddy come back to the game, nigga. Like,
Nah, fuck that, though. You ain't do shit.
So what y'all do? Wait, hold on. What y'all doing tomorrow? Oh, what y'all doing on Wednesday? Cause I definitely don't trade Wednesdays. So
Either way, I think 12.
300 meters. Continue straight.
yo,
oh, that shit would be packed.
yo, Andre, you sound far from the mic, bro. Pull up to the mic.
He talking to a girl.
Oh.
We'll be alright. We'll figure it out Monday. It's gonna be packed today. Downtown.
Nigga, this shit about to hit TP, Andre.
Yo, Dre. Yeah, that shit about to hit TP. Yo, Dre.
You said what?
What I was saying. What y'all doing on Wednesday? I don't trade Wednesdays since Wednesday is CPI, so I'm definitely away from the charts on Wednesday. What's the vibe on Wednesday?
I ain't doing nothing on Wednesday right now that I know of, but it could change the day of. What you trying to slide down here?
And that's probably the best day because that's on a weekday. One.
Bells. I'll figure it out. I can link you in like an hour, but that's a nigga Bells.
Bells.
I gotta see what I'm doing.
Oh, yeah, we go.
That shit mad far, bro.
He's like, I got Warzone at 12.
What's that? What's mad far? What are you talking about that's mad far?
Us.
I think it's far from you, cuz.
Nigga.
It's like a 30-40 minute. But that's nothing. That's how
I
we
mean,
going to the
it's
beach.
not shit. Honestly, it's not shit, but, my girl work Wednesday, so I'll be chilling. I ain't gotta deal with her.
Wait, do you even trade CPI?
Hell no, I don't trade Wednesdays.
Yeah, so I'm free on Wednesday. I'm telling you, I don't trade Wednesdays. And it's Wednesday is CPI, so like it's like
So,
really like
alright, what we doing then?
I'm trying to link, man. What's the vibe?
He's like, nigga, that's what I'm trying to figure out.
That's what I'm trying
Oh,
to do.
shit. Oh, we can do whatever, nigga. I don't care.
Or we can slide to the gym. Go to the.
We gonna come down just to go to the gym?
Yeah, nigga. That's how we do it.
No, what we doing, bro?
That's his happy place.
That's what it's not my happy place.
Let's go see the scenery.
90% of the times I don't want to go to the gym.
No, that's the beauty of it though. Keno.
Okay, listen. Y'all can go to the gym in the morning, and then when y'all ready to go out, let me know so I can go ahead and get dressed, right? Whatever. We can go out to eat, nigga. We can enjoy the scenery. Who the fuck wants to dress? This nigga go all the way down just to go to the gym?
Nah, I don't want to be stinking all day too.
Room niggas shit.
I don't want to be.
Alright, bro, you good? You can take a shower. I got you, bro.
Nah, slap some booty. That's different, bro.
Don't get me killed.
I ain't.
I ain't gonna lie. I've been on my shit.
What kind of shit you been on?
Nigga, I've been on my shit.
Bro, last time I talked
Your
to him,
bullshit or good
bro,
shit?
last time I talked to him, bro, he was like, bro, I ain't even, I talked to her, she was like, no matter what, if anything happened, I'm gonna make sure you can still trade. He was like, at that moment, I was like, yeah. Now he's saying this.
Not like that. Nah, me and her on great terms, but I've been on better terms. If you get what I'm saying.
Better terms.
You know what I'm saying?
Nah, I'm gonna need.
I got the time for it, bro. I like about it, but I don't even got the time for it.
Nah,
it's
for
not
real.
even me. It's not even me. It's them. They come to me.
Nah, it's because you 6'5".
Exactly. They gotta be in the store. They be like, "Oh my God, you're so tall." As soon as they say you're so tall, I already know what it is.
You're so tall. I'm like,
So shit, what you doing later? That's all I hit him with. That's literally the last 2 weeks. Shit, what you doing later then? That's it. After everything they would say. Nothing. All right, cool. I'll be there around blah blah. Tell my girl I'm gonna do DoorDash, nigga. It's a wrap.
So raps key.
Tired calling me. Hold on.
Bro, I'm waiting for NAS to run his damn low. Hurry the fuck up, nigga.
Bro, you at break even already, right?
Yeah, I'm been break even. I'm just waiting for it to just get out.
I'm not gonna cap. You could have took partials right here and just let them run it go.
Yeah, but like the chances of it running this low are like 80%.
Nah, it's really high. It's really fucking high.
I'm just waiting. Cause I know if I take my partial like 5 points away, I'm just be sick.
Yeah, it's really fucking high that you're gonna get this, cause it's right there. It's really. Are you going all the way at the wick low or like?
Nah, I'm just that wick from London, and that's it.
Like this wick all the way down here, or?
Yeah, that's it right there.
Nigga, you don't gotta get the wick exactly.
That's the London low. That's it.
You can get like five pips off the wick, bro. Like just like right here.
But it's just the way I trade. I took it at that high when we ran that low. Where am I going? The liquidity below London's low. It's just session liquidity.
I feel
even
it.
Even if it retraces, I know it's likely to go there. Like the chances of this reversing on me is pretty low, so I'm just cool with letting it happen.
I feel that. This trade is on a move. It's on a mission right now.
The fact that they're doing opposites is crazy.
Bro, I've been figuring out what's the next prop firm I'm going to. I'm not doing no relative drawdown prop firms ever again. That's never happening.
Yeah, they all have their pros and cons. It really just comes down to what you like more.
Yeah, I hate relative drawdowns. That's like fraud. Like I hate that shit. I might do. They had this new one called Smart Trading Funding, whatever.
Smart Funded Trader.
Yeah, from Paladin. Yeah. It's 7% that you gotta hit. You can take as long as time as you need. No relative drawdown. I think that's it. He's saying it's raw spreads, but nigga, everybody say that. But yeah, if it is raw spreads, that's dope. Cause I heard like MFF, I didn't really have like really crazy slippage when it came to indices, but I heard people do be having that problem. But I know 8cap is the worst. If any one of them use 8cap, I'm not touching that shit. I am not touching that.
8cap is definitely all that bullshit.
I am not touching any prop firm or broker that uses 8cap. I am staying far away from that shit. 8cap is the worst.
Come on, NAS.
Come on, US30, man. You almost there, bro. Just keep
Next
going.
15-minute candle. Let's see what you do. I can't tell which one's going to roll over. If NAS is going to start pushing or if US30 is going to start falling. They both just going to do opposites. Usually there's delayed for the most part. I'm trying to see which one is the real move. If that makes sense.
Or yeah, they usually roll over to the same move eventually. But I see that that they had this high from the day before, from Friday. So it took out all the liquidity from these lows. If you can see on the 1 hour chart, let me. Yeah, that's just all my back testing, honestly. Yeah, I'd be back testing a lot. That's how I collect the data, and that's when I be telling people I just know the data because I've done it at work. But anyway, it's collected all these. Nah, I don't gotta take away my shit. Do you see these lows from right here? This low's from June 26th. That's the low that it created. it came and grabbed that liquidity low right here, they might be taking it to this high from Friday. Might take it to the Friday highs. So that's where I'm looking to take my initial take partial or probably just take the whole trade off at those highs. Definitely seeing it taking it right there.
Getting a retracement on that.
I told you, my boy, you should have just clipped
10
it.
o'clock. I'm cool with waiting, but
You should have clipped
you see
it,
how
my
close
guy.
you got. Shit like that just be annoying, but you know, it's happening so much.
Cause you're trying to get all the way to the wick. You don't need the wick.
That's just the target I had. Like even if it was the one next to, that was just the original area I was looking at targeting.
But you don't need the wick. You don't need the wick. You can get like 10 points off the wick. Like
Yeah, we'll see though. My whole bias is
that still was like a 3-1. You can't tell me that's not a 3-1.
Yeah, I think it just was, but it's cool. Patience will pay.
Well, we'll see. We'll see on that one.
Yeah.
So what we said we doing on Wednesday? Oh, this nigga Bell's left. Just forgot this nigga Bells was talking that shit on live, bro.
Alright. We ain't tell him.
We ain't tell him. Hopefully his girl don't follow me, so
I doubt it.
I doubt it.
I think our girls really pay attention.
They don't give a fuck about that shit. I stopped talking to my girlfriend about that shit. She don't give a fuck.
Oh man. Looks like I'm gonna be waiting for an ass.
Yeah, I'm not gonna cap. Nowadays I be on some FXLSG shit, just sit and forget. Like I don't even really be caring no more. Cause I understand my probabilities. It either hit, doesn't. It is what it is. I'm probably gonna shut this shit down and walk away for the day. No cap.
Yeah, I'm gonna give it like 10 minutes. I'm gonna see whether or not this NAS trade is gonna 100% retrace or not. I ain't trying to leave it and just have it fully go back up.
Well, how would you know if it would fully go back up?
If
Or
it
not?
starts going high enough, honestly, like if this 15-minute candle starts getting close to you like retracing that whole candle or even an hour, then at that point I'll probably think about just cutting it. Unfortunately,
Man, that shit came really close. Really close. Look at that. You was like 10 points off, bro. 10 points off. I would have cleared it. I would have cleared at least some of it. Most of it, actually. It was 7 points.
I don't expect it to do this. That's the thing. If it comes that close, I'm just gonna let it hit target. It's like if it comes that close to stop loss and just cutting it short. You know what I mean?
Nah, you tripped.
I just let it.
You tripped. That was 7 points. 7 points from TP. 7. You tripped, bro. I would have at least took it at 10 points. Cause I don't know where you got in. Where you got in from?
Above the high, right there, bro. A little bit lower. Like put it like where the other high is, right around there.
Where's your stop loss?
It's about 30 points, but put the entry like where it ran that other high.
This is 30 points.
So like put the entry where the
This right here?
high to the left. The other high. Like since you're on the 5-minute, I'm talking about that what is it? The 8 o'clock high.
8 o'clock high?
Right there. Like when it ran that high, that's where I got hit with about 30 points like that.
30 points from here. Stop loss 10 points from off. That's 3.25, bro. You played. You played, bro.
But if this trade play out, I'm good for me.
Nah, you played.
It's cool. I've had it happen. It'll come back down at some point.
Nah, you played. Nah, you played. That.
You can keep watching, bro. The only thing that keeps me from it hitting TPs is the time I had to wait. Still got the same price.
Trip, man. You tripping, man. Tripping. I would have took that shit. 3?
Yeah, I know you would have. You got one.
I only take 1-on-1s, and my 1-on-1s be fat.
I like my 1-2s, 1-3s. They hit sometimes.
Oh.
They hit sometimes they don't.
My hit rate is pretty high, so. Cause you remember I used to tell you like, yo, I almost always get a 1-to-1. Like, that's why I was like, nah, I'm no longer looking for 1 and 2s, cause I almost always get a 1-to-1. Why not just look for the 1-to-1? Out of 10 times, 7 to 8%, 8 out of 10 times, I get the 1-on-1s. I'm gonna be massively profitable. It still doesn't matter. Like if you extrapolate it over a percentage, like a time, I'll still be massively profitable.
The only thing with me, like, the only reason I wouldn't be able to just This is probably like the second entry.
Second or third. Well, I only take one trade for the day, so it's hard for me to even enter a losing streak that would eliminate me out the game because it's only one trade. If I lose, I lose. If I win, I win. It is what it is. I don't make it more complicated than what it is. Let me post up in the group chat. This nigga Kels have not been showing up to the Zoom call. So one of these days, right, like it was like a month or two ago, this nigga had his Zoom live on. Matter of fact, let me just end this stream real quick. Holla at me, YouTube. Go look for it showing up, whoever showed up.
Yes, sir.
But yeah, I was saying